As the transfer window heats up, the race to sign Stellenbosch FC midfielder Jayden Adams is picking up the momentum, and the SIA crew investigate the latest development. Both Mamelodi Sundowns and Kaizer Chiefs had previously been reported to have been interested in Adams, but Stelli's head coach Steve Barker had underlined that his team was looking to keep their best players. Adams' ability to influence games from midfield makes him a valuable asset for any team looking to bolster their squad. The proper battle for the player between Kaizer Chiefs and Mamelodi Sundowns will be solved by the high speeder, the second source added. The way things stand now, it doesn't mean Sundowns will walk over Chiefs just like that. No, it won't be like that. It's a right fight for the player, but in this moment, Chiefs are ahead of Sundowns. At at Chiefs, he can have the chance to play more games when he compared to Sundowns. The source added. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.